Today we're going to be unboxing the Bald Buddy Ergonomic Wet and Dry Shaver. This shaver is meant to be an extension of your arm and it makes shaving easy. Get rid of all those razor bumps or ingrown hairs because this is going to glide on top of your head and it's going to be the perfect shave. The Bald Buddy comes in a box that's plastic wrapped. If it's not plastic wrapped, make sure you return it. This may mean your product may be used or damaged. So we're going to go ahead and unwrap a brand new Bald Buddy, and it's going to come in a shoe type box. The first thing you're going to notice when you open up the Bald Buddy, you're going to see a Bald Buddy shaver. It comes with a head already, so you don't need to buy a head. It comes with a charger, comes with the charging dock, and it also comes with some of our free shaving cream that's infused with eucalyptus, tea tree, and jojoba. We also put willow bark in this shaving cream. Just letting you know that not everybody is supposed to use a rotary shaver just dry. Some of you have to use it with wet or with shaving cream. If you have coarser hair, I recommend you use it wet and with shaving cream. If you have finer hair, then you may be able to use it dry. Also, if you are shaving your head every 3 days, I recommend that you shave with wet technique. And if you're shaving every day, you may be able to get away with dry based on the coarseness or the fineness of your hair. So let's go ahead and take out some of the items. The Bald Buddy will come wrapped in a plastic bag. As you can see, the product has an ergonomic handle, so it's meant to be an extension of your hand. As you can see, the comfort in my wrist. When you have comfort in your wrist, it doesn't make you pressure a product into your head, which reduces the irritation that you have when you're shaving. So you can hold the product like this, you can hold the product like this, and you can also slip your fingers here if you want a really close shave and hold it like this as well. So it's a very versatile shaver. You'll see that it has a black screen here. This is where some of your power functions and your display functions will be. This is the power button for the product, and this is the flexible head. The flexible head is awesome because it flexes backwards, it flexes this way, so whenever you're shaving, you're actually riding the contours of your head instead of jamming it into your head, trying to make sure that all the shaving heads are touching your head. You'll notice that it has 5 rotary blades, 4 on the outside and 1 in the middle. These rotary blades are very easy to clean. All you have to do is dip it in a cup of water and run the shaver, or you could rinse it in a running faucet. We recommend that you dip it in the cup of water and you run it. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on so that you can see how it works. You're gonna have to press the power button. It's gonna turn on the shaver, and you're gonna see that there's gonna be an indication light over here. You'll notice that it has an indication light for whether it's a battery or it's a lightning bolt. So lightning bolt means that you need to charge the shaver. Just having a full-on battery signal on there means that you're ready to go and it's fully charged. The cool thing about this is when you're traveling, it also has a lock option. So you can hold down the button for 5 seconds and you'll notice that there'll be a lock button that will show up. And then when you're ready to use it again, all you have to do is hold it down for another 5 seconds and it will unlock the shaver. This is very helpful because if you're traveling, you don't want this turning on in the middle of your flight or in your bag for no reason and draining your battery. Using this product and cleaning this product is very easy. As far as replacing your heads every 3 to 5 months, depending on how much you shave, all you need to do is grab the head and do a tug. All right. And then whenever you get your new replacement head, all you need to do is grab your replacement head and line it up with the groove and pop it back in. It's as easy as that, and you're ready to go. So this is the Bald Buddy shaver. Cool thing is that it's USB-C charged. Just up front, you can't use a normal Android or USB-C. You have to use the extended USB tip. And when I say extended USB tip, I mean the tips that come with a little bit longer USB charging port. So most Android phones come with a tip that's a little bit shorter than this. Most of these electronics need a longer tip so that it could extend into charging the product. So if you're charging it in your phone charger into this and it's not working, it's because you're not using an extended tip USB. All right. So the product comes with a charging dock for your USB charger. Just plug in the USB end here and then plug it into the wall and you're ready to charge. Let's show you the shaving cream. Shaving cream here. We love this thing because it gives you a cooling feeling on your head. It conditions, it soothes, and it cools your head. And those are primary things that really help you to stop irritation and ingrown hairs. You'll see that the product comes with a cap, so make sure that you remove that cap before you use the shaving cream. If there is no cap on your shaving cream, do not use it because that means that it's been tampered with, it broke, or it's used. You should not ever get a used product from us. However, we're trying to be safe here and you want to be clean. All right, so the shaving cream is pretty cool. It's like almost like a conditioner instead of a gel or a shaving cream. So you're conditioning your hair, cooling your hair, and soothing it at the same time. You just apply a little bit to your head, let it sit for 2 minutes, let you feel that cooling method. Recommend that you exfoliate it actually into your head. So use an exfoliating brush and actually brush the shaving cream into your head and work it in so that that cooling and soothing and conditioning starts working into your scalp. That's all going to help you stop getting ingrown hairs. So this is the Bald Buddy shaver. Runs for 72 minutes. We use it wet or dry. I personally use it in the shower with shaving cream because I have coarser hair. But some of you with finer hair who don't suffer from ingrown hairs would do just fine using it dry. This is the Bald Buddy, and you'll see it has this camo pattern on it. This is a limited design that we have. It's not because we have a limited program, but we have a give back mission for veterans with disabilities and dexterity and mental health. So we give part of our proceeds to our heroes. So this is the first version we came out with, the camo design. This design may change in the future, but we'll always be giving part of our proceeds to veteran initiatives. If you have any questions, reach out to us at info@thecutbuddy.com or fill out our contact form. If this shaver comes with a 1-year warranty, it also has a 30-day money-back guarantee when you buy it. With the warranty, we replace it with no questions if you have any failures with battery or it shuts off or anything like that. We also have a subscription model where you can get these replacement heads at a discount if you sign up to our subscription model. And when you sign up to our subscription model with these heads, you actually extend the warranty on your shaver as long as you're part of the subscription model. So it goes beyond that 1 year. You can end up having a warranty for the lifetime as long as you are subscribed to our replacement head plan. So if you have any questions, let us know. I'm usually the one that's answering many of your questions because I'm a bald buddy myself. I go through the same issues as you, and I look forward to helping you solve your haircut issues and make shaving easy. Have a good day.